how to remove the Renault Arkana door mirror, and in the process we'll also be removing the door panel. First we will start off by removing all of these covers. There's one over here where the door pull handle is. It's a little cover, and underneath there'll be a torque screw. There'll be this cover over here right next to the door open handle with a very thin tool. Just get in there and pull it out, and there'll be a T30 torque screw in here. And we're also going to remove the door handle completely. And you do this by pressing onto these pieces over here. They clip on. So these two simultaneously, press onto them, and then you can remove the door open handle cable. Next, and then we're going to remove this screw over here where the door pull handle is. To the bottom, there is another torque screw. And for the next part, there is clips on the inside of the door panel. And you'll need to get in between with a plastic tool. I'd recommend not using flat metal screwdriver. And you can use this clip remover, and you'll need to unclip as you go. You can also go in there with your fingers and pull the bottom out first, and you'll need to slide it upwards. One thing with this door panel is detach the bottom and then release the top part, and then you'll need to pull it down, okay? Because there is a clip over here that slots upwards. This one over here. So it slots up into that. So you need to pull the bottom out, release the top, and then push it down to remove this door panel. You can leave the door panel like this. You do not have to remove these plugs. It's just if you want to remove it completely, this is how you unplug. You can just leave the door panel hanging. Now, the reason why you have to remove the door panel is so you can unplug the mirror like this over here. And then to remove the inner door mirror cover, you need to slide it down. You can pull it off, but you can also damage when you pull it off. It's much more easier where you won't damage the inner door mirror cover if you just slide it down. As you can see, they slide upwards. This one, the clip came off, the top one, but this is a slide on kind of thing, which I'll show you now. So put it in position and then slide it upwards. And underneath the inner door mirror cover, we will first remove this clip that holds the door mirror cable in place. And there's 3 10mm bolts that you'll need to remove, 2 to the bottom and 1 to the top. When you're removing the last one, keep in mind that, of course, the mirror can fall down. So you would want to hold it and then refit the new one, that sort of thing.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.